Right, so most of you know me as N7KOM Mountaintop Portable Radio. Today that's going to change a little bit. I am setting up a QTH, radio, pass-through, antenna, mast thing, the whole spiel. So the next few videos on this channel are all going to be about setting up my first QTH. Now, we're going to start with the basics. A window pass-through to get our RF out of the house and to the antenna. So I ordered the MFJ Window Pass Through. Comes with a dowel, and here we go. Oh, this is nice. Got this from DX Engineering. All right, that's not too shabby. So I was actually just expecting to get the pass-through coax bit here, but it's already on a routered board plank. That's pretty cool. So all I have to do is cut this to size. Now I already measured my window. It's 30 inches. So, well, maybe I should measure twice, cut once, but 30 inches. There we go. Okay. Now, before I fully seat it, we're going to put some weather stripping just to kind of help seal it up. Now, this is from about 5 years ago, so kids, that's why you never throw anything away. So what I did is I took this, put it here, also have some there, and I'm going to fill in some of the gaps now down below. And of course, the final step of our pass-through is to measure out the security dowel. Alright, that's it for this episode. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one where I learn how to crimp coax.